Alright, good morning everybody. Today we're doing egg quesadillas for breakfast. The perfect egg quesadilla is made with 2 eggs, not 3. Just gotta warm that ham up just a little. Alright. Alright. Morning guys, what's for breakfast today? Today I'm doing an egg quesadilla. Alright, so I think we're just about ready to throw the eggs in. Ham's warmed up just a little. That's all we need. Now for this, you do want your eggs to be real thin like that. So we'll let those cook most of the way through. Throw a little bit of heat on this ham to make sure that stays warm. So I use 2 eggs, not 3, because you want to make sure they stay real thin. If you use 3, it gets pretty sloppy. Looks like it's doing a pretty good job. The eggs are starting to cook on this side here. Good morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? So what we got here is mostly cooked over. So I'm gonna throw a tortilla on it. Right over the top, just like that. We'll let them stick together for a second here. See if we can get our spatula underneath this guy. Gotta find out where it's sticking. Nope, looks like we're alright. Oh, half flip. So now we got a perfectly cooked egg on this side, then we can brown the tortilla on the other side a little bit. Good Wisconsin cheese. How you guys doing today? Alright. Don't forget to leave a like if you guys are going to try this recipe, because this is super simple breakfast. Super simple breakfast. Stick around, we're going to do another one after this one, so stick around. If you guys missed the beginning, don't go nowhere, because we're going to start right over from the beginning once this one's done. So this one's ham and cheese. So we got the cheese is pretty close to melted there. We'll throw this ham in, fold her over. I do want to play Minecraft, but I'm going to play Minecraft after I'm done making some breakfast, okay?
Okay, and we do have to say some of the things, because we do have to say fairnesses. We have to say fairnesses.
Look at that. There's your perfect egg quesadilla.
I can't see what it is.
Yeah, you want to see it, bud? Careful, it's hot.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Does that look tasty? You want to try some?
Yeah, but first you have to warm it up and then I'll fry it.
Alright,
Okay.
sounds good, bud. Alright, so there is the egg quesadilla. If you guys want to see it from the beginning, just leave a like. We'll get the video out there, and I'm going to start it over right now. So let's get this out the pan. Looks good. Alright. We'll let this guy cool. I'm going to wipe this pan out real quick. So non-stick pans are great. When they're hot, you just wipe them out with a paper towel and it comes nice and clean. Alright. whole lot of butter. Pan's getting pretty hot.